everyone, welcome to Datomix Academy. In this very first video of the SQL playlist, we will try to understand what is SQL and why you should learn it in 2025. And also we will see how to install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin step by step. This video is for absolute beginners. If you have never written a line of SQL command in your life, don't worry. I'm with you here to teach you how to write real job-ready SQL statements. Let's get started. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's the language used to communicate with relational databases, which are the most common type of databases in the world. If you have ever used Excel or Google Sheets, think of a SQL as a way to ask very powerful questions across multiple sheets, millions of rows, or across several tables at once. With SQL, you can extract the data with SQL select statements, you can filter it with where clauses, you can sort it with order by, you can group it with group by clauses, you can join the tables with join functionalities, and even modify or create tables with insert, update, and create statements. It's used in every industry. Analysts can use SQL to create dashboards and reports. Scientists use it to explore large data sets. Businesses use it to track sales, inventory, and customers. And also, developers use it to power their web and mobile applications. It doesn't matter whether you are working in finance, or healthcare, or e-commerce, or tech. If there is a data, SQL is there. And in 2025, SQL is more relevant than ever. Every company is becoming data-driven. There are lots of AI applications, machine learning algorithms, and the reporting tools all rely on structured data. So, SQL is often the first technical skill required for jobs in data and product fields. The best part is it's beginner friendly, it's easy to read and write, and once you learn it, you can use it with many tools like PostgreSQL, MySQL, BigQuery, Snowflake, T-SQL, Redshift, and more. So, learning SQL opens a lot of doors. That's why we are starting from here. Well, we are going to use PostgreSQL as our database and pgAdmin as our interface. Let's now go download and install it step by step. It's simple. You need to open your browser and go to PostgreSQL's download page. From there, you need to select your operating system among the provided operating systems. You can see Windows, Mac, or Linux, or others there. Download the installer and run it. It might take some time to download it, and during the setup, you might need to click Next several times. Make sure pgAdmin is selected. Choose a password for the PostgreSQL super user as well, and save that password for yourself. Use the default port, which is the 5433. Then click Install. Once installation is complete, search for pgAdmin in your application and open it. You may be asked for a master password. Set it and continue. Click on the server called PostgreSQL 17 and enter the password you set during the installation. Now you are inside your PostgreSQL environment. In the next video, we will create a database, understand what tables and columns are, and write our first query using select statement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for your first hands-on SQL class in our next video.